I mean, you got how many millions? You got like almost 5 million social media
Almost
followers on
5.
IG.
Yeah. We're in 4.8.
No big deal. Just 4.8 million followers. I bet your engagement is crazy.
Good.
Yeah, she got 1.8 billion impressions last year in 2022. So,
Damn.
and on OnlyFans, you mentioned 170 million people engaging on the platform. She brought in almost 10% of that just from the United States alone. So we had almost 17 million Americans on her OnlyFans in 2022.
You guys are making like 300 grand a month.
Yeah,
every month
the gross revenue exceeds that. So yeah.
So explain to me this process, because I do want to talk about what you're doing with your money, because that's the point of the show.
Yeah.
But I do find it very fascinating because, look, the recession is going to hit a lot of people hard.
Yeah.
People are looking for ways to make money from home. And there are so many creators on OnlyFans in so many different niches. And I want to open that up because there, believe it or not, are men on OnlyFans. And then, there's a few of them that you probably know, some celebrities that are doing really big things like, I don't know, Tyga, killing it on OnlyFans. Yeah. Probably making more money on OnlyFans than anywhere else.
Yeah, Tyga, he started on OnlyFans. He's since left and gone to a similar platform. But there's quite a few big names. Tyler Posey, MTV's Teen Wolf.
And he's killing it?
Yeah, he's doing really well.
I've never been on OnlyFans. Let me just clarify. I've never been on OnlyFans. The world wants to know how I'm going to get a subscription to your OnlyFans account.
You're going to go on as a creator.
It's not really for me. It's for the video guys. I swear. It's not for me.
Thanks, girlfriend.
But I've never been on OnlyFans, so I don't know. I know there's all kinds of different creators and content. Some people niche out, and some people are more graphic and explicit. So how did you get started? Because you go from like killing it kind of in social, then what? During COVID, right before the pandemic, you decided I'm going to try this out?
2019 is when I started, before everyone knew about OnlyFans like that or got popular. I was already creating content for OnlyFans.
Are you just popping up a camera and just coming up with some concept back then? I'm going back then to the beginning. Is it just you and a camera? Is he holding your camera for you?
I started myself. It was more like I would do it like a music video. I would play music and like act to the song, and like it will be like a sexy dancing, undressing, that kind of thing. That's how I started. And it was my love for music.